Hey friends, Jeff Fritz here. I want to show you the little studio that we built here on the second floor of the MGM Grand for Dev Intersection and virtual Dev Intersection this week in Las Vegas. Come here, let's check it out. So I've built a little bit of a studio here. Check it out. There's a set back there. I've got a director's table here behind me. Look at this. So we've got dedicated network right here for the room. It's hardwired into the floor over there, coming back over here. So we have sound. We've got 4 microphones coming into here, plus we've got sound coming from our streaming machine right here. We've got a little display with all the information needed in order to produce what's going on. We've got a couple of stream decks with some information for folks that are producing, along with all of our scenes that we're going to be showing throughout the day. Over here is the NUC, Intel NUC. This is a Hades Canyon NUC that we're using in order to produce the entire event. So this device has 6 USB-As. I've got 2 of them up front here, 4 more in the back. I've got a hardwired network connection right here. I've got video going out from this to our downstage confidence monitor. I've got a little Sony camera that I'm going to use there for broadcast. Looking back at the NUC again, that Sony camera comes in here using an Elgato Cam Link and plugs in right there. I've got the audio out from here going back over to the H6. All right. And additional displays coming out here. So this HDMI connects into our full screen that we have over here so that our producer can see and direct and run the entire show. Let's go check out the set so we can see what it looks like while you're on stage with Virtual Dev Intersection. Come on. So I'm here sitting on at the stage on the set, and it's just a table. I've got a nice backdrop behind me. This is stuff that we had printed out and we had mounted so that it looks nice behind us, but it's really just a series of graphics that our designer put together, made it look really nice, and it's just behind us here. Let me show you my perspective from this side of the table. From here, I've got a series of lapel mics all ready to go with an XLR connection on the end. I've got a stream deck we're going to load up here with sound effects so folks can play music, play various sound effects if we want to have a little bit of fun, be a little crazy on stream. Here's my video capture card with an HDMI connection on the end so that we can plug in and do any kind of screencasting from guests' laptops here. All of the connections from our H6 are right here. There's the XLR connections from the H6 device running using a 25-foot extension cable so we can connect in whoever we're going to broadcast and have them available. But check out the downstage view, right? Little camera there on the tripod, and I've got this tremendous display that I can see my Twitch chat room, and I can also see exactly what's being broadcast on that display. Really, really great stuff to make it easy for whoever is speaking here to be able to interact and see exactly what's going on with you on the live stream. Now, if I come back over our view of the director's table from here, we don't really see too much of what they're going to be doing over there, and that's okay. They have a great view of us, and we're able to communicate and see them just off camera and be able to interact with them. So I hope you like this little behind-the-scenes tour of what we've built here for this studio right here in Las Vegas. It's the second floor of a casino, and I'm pretty proud of what we've done so far. But the true test is tomorrow when the guests arrive, the hosts get wired up, and we start our first episode of Virtual Dev Intersection live from the MGM Grand. I hope you tune in. I hope to see you online watching us on Twitch, and I'll catch you later. Thanks so much.